everybody, my name is Mariam. I'm happy to meet you next. I'm going to tell you about my amazing invention, which is called changing locker. This locker has a door and some buttons. Every button has the name of the clothes and the hair shape and stuff.
So this locker has batteries, right? It has batteries to use them for what?
If the
power is off. If there is no power, if there is a shortage of power, you can use this one, right?
Yes.
So this is her invention. Do you like it?
Yes.
Okay.
This device can help you faster than your hand.
Yes.
So you don't have to waste time to change your clothes or make your hair.
Yes. Hey, thank you, Mariam. You did a good job. Can you explain? I asked her the first question then, okay? Can you explain on this picture? What is the content of this picture? Who is this, for example? Who is this?
For example, it's a hair.
Yeah, it's a very unique Mariam. Right? Yeah, so this is Mariam. This is Mariam. Can you catch it? And what is this?
These are the iron hands and it will help me.
The world is full of opportunities. It is budding with ideas that have the potential to change the world. There are many inventions that we have never witnessed before. One of my bets is you must press a button placed at the top left of it. Can scan and monitor our insides to hunt out health problems. This could be. My name is Nujat. Today I will present to you my fantastic and amazing invention. No one can imagine it. It is useful, especially for ladies. Its name is the Magic Grip. It's your skin to be more flexible. Example, you can make your nose smaller than now, or you can lift your chest. To sum up, it will make you younger than now. Thank you for listening. Good luck.
Okay.
Here's a picture of my invention. It's so simple idea. When you go to the supermarket, there will be over 20 sections. You must choose one of them. Then when you enter with your car, you must tell the person who is standing there to put what you want in your bag, and he will tell you the price. My invention is called house transporter. The house transporter is a truck that transports houses, but it can't transport houses with a pool, a garden, or a basement. The truck is made out of a special metal with the strongest wheels ever and the longest, strongest rope. The truck is actually 10,000 times bigger than a normal truck. If you want your house to be transported, it will only cost $1,999 US. All I have to say is that my invention is the safest, strongest, and most efficient way to move your house from place to place. Thank you for your time.
Okay, you've heard it.
Hello everybody, my name is Roba. I will be introducing you all to my invention idea called Smart Mask. Good, I didn't find the picture because this idea will help us get through these hard times. This smart mask can change colors with a remote and you can customize it with pictures from the internet. It also molds the shape of the user so the mask will fit perfectly on your face with no gaps. The smart mask is much better than a regular mask because a normal mask is plain, boring, and it's more open, so the smart mask prevents any going through it. You might be wondering how we can breathe. Well, if you have lung issues, then you can stretch.
Hello everyone, my name is Jan. Today I will talk about my new invention called NE. It means normal animation. It is a large cuboid that has a screen and a button. This device is connected to your TV or laptop or your mobile phone using wires. If you open your own video, it will appear in your room like real one. It comes with a bag. You must put any in it so it will not. Thank you for listening.
Okay, very good. Thank you very much. Thank you all. Thank you everybody. And this is the end of our invention day. See you tomorrow, inshallah. Okay? Bye. See you.